My Lords, this is one of the groups of amendments that really ought to be just swallowed wholesale by the government. It's got some excellent amendments in it. I have signed Amendment 161, tabled by the Noble Lady Baroness Jones of Whitchurch, because it's a really good amendment with some very practical solutions for cleaning up our rivers. The way that we as an industrial society treat our rivers is one of the grossest examples of the way that we trash our planet. We see rivers as little more than a dumping ground that we can use to dispose of our rubbish when we can't be bothered to sort out our waste disposal systems, and it's time to stop that. In particular, Amendment 161 emphasises the importance of nature-based solutions and other ways of separating our sewage from the clean water that falls to the surface as rain. It's absolutely absurd that we mix these two things together, instantly turning clean rainwater into raw sewage that, as far as we're concerned, is good for nothing. There are a great many nature-based solutions for treating sewage water. In the US, more than half of their sewage is treated to become organic fertiliser, although there are some recent studies that are showing these can be contaminated by the inclusion of industrial waste. But as long as we remove or cut out the industrial waste, there's no reason that the UK can't develop a well-regulated, safe industry to turn our domestic wastewater into useful resources like that. And alternatively, there are fascinating natural wastewater systems, such as constructed wetlands, which use a combination of natural processes to create safe water with the excellent secondary benefit of creating essential wetland habitats. I know that the Minister is keen on nature-based solutions, so I hope he can expand on the government's plans for using nature to clean up our water and reach zero river sewage. And quite honestly, if there were one amendment that I had to pick as being the most crucial, it's got to be Amendment 166, tabled by the Duke of Wellington, which sets the essential target of zero discharges of untreated sewage into rivers. This is the level of ambition that we should be working towards as a matter of urgency.